Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block people right here on Fortnite. So, we can just go right here. If you're on PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, it's the exact same way. But on your PlayStation, for example, on your controller, just press the Options key, which is on top right hand side corner of your controller on PlayStation. And then what we have to go is just go into Add Friends. And then from here, just search for that name. Of course, if you see them right away in your friends list, you can do it from there. However, let's say they're not your friends and you just want to block them just to make sure, then all you have to do is just search for that name. So we're going to go on and search for a name, for example. Now, I personally only block people that are way too toxic. So this is one of them. We're just going to go ahead and look for that name. It's just going to search for those names, and here we go. So just make sure to actually get the right name. So here we go. That's the epic name that I was looking for. So I can go ahead, click on that name, and then down here below, we're going to see block. And we have successfully blocked the person. So right now, since you blocked them, they will not be able to search your name or send you comments or anything like that right here in Fortnite. So they just will not be able to see you at all since you blocked them. Now just tap away, you can see in the party up part, if you scroll all the way down, you can see everybody that you have blocked before. So here it is, you can open it up, see unblock people or block people back up. Anyways, as for now, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.